7 drinks for kidney detoxification. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthline Champions. As always, I'm your host. Now I know what you're thinking, kidneys? Detox? Sounds boring, right? Well, not after I tell you about these magical elixirs that will have your insides feeling as fresh as a daisy in no time. We all know how hard our kidneys work every day to filter out waste and keep those toxins at bay. But sometimes life gets busy and stress creeps in, and before you know it, those poor kidneys are feeling more overworked than the barista on a Saturday morning. That's where these 7 miracle drinks come in to give your kidneys a much-needed break. Coming in at number 1 is good old H2O. Now I know water seems basic, but it really is the ultimate kidney cleanser. Aim for at least 6 glasses a day to help flush out toxins and prevent those kidney stones from forming. Bonus points if you add a squeeze of lemon or lime for an extra antioxidant boost. Next up is everyone's favorite green monster, celery juice. Packed with minerals and anti-inflammatory compounds, celery juice is like rocket fuel for your kidneys. Just be prepared for some interesting bathroom trips afterwards. Trust me, you'll be as regular as clockwork. For drink number 3, I'm bringing in the big guns, beetroot juice. Now this stuff may stain your teeth redder than the devil himself, but it's chock full of nitrates to lower blood pressure and support kidney function. Throw in some ginger and apple for flavor and you've got yourself an instant detox shot. And those are just a few of my top kidney-loving drinks. For the full 7-drink recipe guide plus some bonus kidney health tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time on Healthline Champions. Your kidneys will thank you. Now go forth and detoxify.